welcome to Miss Curiosity. Today we've cooked brown ugali and wet fried mbuzi for lunch. The brown ugali consists of millet, sorghum, muhogo, groundnuts. Unapeleka kwa portion meal unasiaga pamoja. Then the wet fry mbuzi imepikwa na one large onion, one large tomato, green pepper, carrots. Then we added spices, a few spices, turmeric, Spanish, paprika, beef masala, ginger, and salt. Next time, tutaonyesha video how to prepare it. The meal can be accompanied with juice or coke. But today, we have a pawpaw and banana smoothie, 3 large bananas, a piece of pawpaw, and a glass of milk. Unaziweka pamoja, una blend to your own consistency, and you are good to go.
How many people can that serve?
It can serve like 2 people, but 6.
Tumbo ndogo.
2 people with
a normal appetite.
Normal appetite, but like me, mwenye niko na super appetite.
That's for one.
For one.
Okay, so the brown ugali umesema iko na millet,
sorghum, muhogo, groundnuts, then unapeleka kisiagi.
Is that really for lunch? Hiyo si ni supper bwana.
Ni lunch kwa watu mahasla, watu wa jua kali.
So we'll do the review. We'll tukula tupeane review wenye
yeah, let my colleague do the review. Akule kwanza niambie kama nitarudi jikoni ama
okay, so what about the juice? You said it's
3 large bananas,
okay,
a piece of pawpaw, and a glass of milk. Ama you can use water.
Instead
kama
of
banana zako ni tamu sana.
Instead of the milk, huh?
Yeah, then blend them together like 2 minutes or a minute.
Then we go for the juice, huh? So let's try the review of the meat. Let's do it. So we are ready to sample the mbuzi, the wet fried mbuzi. You can have a look at it. Looks very nice. Some carrots, some is it the green ones?
Green pepper.
The green pepper. Kwa Kiswahili ni hoho.
Pilipili hoho.
Okay, we have some nyanya. We can see some nyanya. And the ugali. Nimetoka piece kadogo kakutest and give the review. And we have the juice. So let's give it a try and see how well it was done. Na vitunguu pia tunaonekana. So let's give it a try and kamfupa kamoja. Nice, okay? So let's see. Tulinawa mikono so we can dive in already. It's fine, no? One thing the reason nimechukua mfupa ni kwa sababu it normally takes a lot of time kwa nyama yenye iko around hiyo mfupa kuiva. But you can see it's soft, imeiva poa. And you can feel the taste of the paprika. You can feel the paprika. You can feel the other
turmeric.
The turmeric hiyo ni lazima utaiona even from the color of the soup. You can feel the spices that is zimewekwa and the hoho iko soft. It's visible, inaonekana iko green nini but imeiva poa. It's very soft and the carrot complements it a lot. It's very nice. I believe we can have this for a normal lunch. Ugali pia iko very soft. The reason why I like this ugali ni kwa sababu iko na taste yake tofauti. Again, a very different taste and ina accompany ugali mbaya sana. Hii kitu inaweza teremsha ugali lita 2. So but I could have liked it coming with a cabbage. Okay. Some of us love cabbage more than greens, so I believe the next time you do this, if it coming up with a greens ama cabbage, it will be a +1. So what about the juice? This is very thick. You make a ngapi?
3.
No, I love bananas so much.
Large bananas.
Large bananas 3.
From Meru County.
But in Kobo. Okay, so let's give it a test. We have pineapple. Not pineapple. Pawpaw. And dizzy.
And milk.
Some milk,
yeah.
In dizzy inasikika sana. It's very thick. In smoothie. It's very nice. It's very thick. It's very rich in the taste. The taste ni kama hiyo ndizi iko imeiva poa.
Kabisa.
It's very nice. If I was to rate it out of 10, I'll give you 7. You know
The
why?
reason?
The 3 missing is because there's no nini, there's no greens, the vegetables, and the other one is for me. I can't give you 10. So hiyo marks ingine moja ni ugali. Ugali ni kidogo. But all in all, it's a nice meal. It was prepared well. Seems you were prepared for it. And hope you can do something else next time. Maybe you can do some pork or anything else. Then you invite us to review it. But all in all, it's a nice meal, full meal. Hii unashiba ukikula hii asubuhi unakimbia the whole day. So yeah, for me it's a 7 out of 10. And
prepared the Mbuzi wet fry and brown ugali for lunch. Thank you for watching. Leave us a feedback and what you want us to prepare next time. If you enjoyed, you can say hi, leave us a feedback. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.